dirty, nasty girl. Who would ever date you with that on your face? Pig. I'm 23 years old and I've had acne for more than 12 years. I felt the ugliest girl alive. I felt inferior to others. I had no confidence. I hated it so much. Doctors diagnosed me with severe acne. This kind of acne is resistant to any type of treatment. That's why I started to get bullied in school. They called me ugly, disgusting, horrible. A pig. Anyone who had acne was considered a dirty person. I was a choquito, a monster, a disgrace. Who would ever date you with that on your face? I started to feel inferior to other girls. I felt like the ugliest person alive. It was really difficult to get a job. Go out in public? It was a horror movie. People making disgusting comments. I was always the ugliest friend and cousin. I was sad and just wanted to lock myself in my room and never come out again. Add the physical pain of acne. I couldn't sleep well. The shower hurt so much. I couldn't hug anyone because I would simply cry in pain. Clothes were always stained with blood and pus. I was desperate to get rid of it. I cleaned my skin several times a day and nothing helped. I got treated with antibiotics.